If you've never been on a racetrack before, we should treat every corner like an on-ramp on the highway. We brake coming in to accelerate coming out. Please leave 3 car lengths between you and the car in front of you at all times.
Of course.
If you've never been on a racetrack, we've set up cones or pylons at the side of the road in every corner. So no matter what the cars in front of you is doing, try to get your front tires as close as you can, within inches of all the cones that are standing up at the side of the road. That'll get you to the corner in front of you and set you up for the next corner after that.
Good? Yeah.
So I want to go
farther.
Yeah.
And so that you can hear us better on the radio, we're going to ask that we always keep our windows up when we're on the track, please, in every vehicle.
Okay.
A little AC. Yeah, it's slow us down, but we'll
Alright, drivers, put on the brake, car down the drive, hands should be at 3 and 9 on the steering wheel. I'm going to start rolling forward.
You ready to drive?
Yeah.
Alright.
All the gas is right there.
In a Porsche, you can have the air conditioning on. It will not interfere with the power of the engine. So over the course of today, please do not turn off your air conditioning.
Dude, this fucking car.
So for you to get the most out of this program, if your steering wheel is turned, we cannot be braking or acceleration. We can't ask the front tires to do 2 things. So car behind me, here's our apex cone on the left. Car behind me, exit cone is 100% over on the right-hand side. So to give you guys as many laps as possible, we actually have cut the track in half. We're using what's called the north track.
So a lot of the corners I think were pretty
So car behind me, my apex cone's on the right-hand side, this white one. And then I brake to put a little bit of weight on the nose of the car. Off the brake, turn into the corner. And when you can see where you want to go, start squeezing on the gas pedal, putting weight on the back of the car. So this is one half of the track. So this is the only corner where we are going to brake and turn. And it leads onto a nice long straightaway.
The guy in front of us knows how to drive. Oh my god. Fuck.
So drive record.
What the fuck?
Cruise goes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't tell you when to start your braking, but all your braking has to be completed before the orange cone on your left-hand side. So we separate our braking.
Brake it to 3 or not.
From our turn. Now we're going to go up and over the hill. The chicane.
Don't really know the course, so.
Yeah, it's true. Yo. In, power through, now.
And drivers, we're going to do another lap. The car behind me, I'm just going to slow down here because I have to be able to see the third car at all times. So I'm just going to let us bunch back up as a group.
Alright, brakes. Yeah, the third car's up.
And drivers, this is the tightest corner of the whole track. So get all your braking done before we turn in. And we're going to do another full lap. So car behind me, we go all the way over the left-hand side here. And then work your way back over to the right.
Yo.
And once again, let's get all of our braking done before this orange cone up here on the right-hand side. So we separate our braking from our turning.
Directly behind the instructor.
And now I'm just maintaining a constant speed through the corner.
I mean, I don't need to like.
And then once I can see where I want to go, then I start squeezing on the gas pedal, putting weight on the back of the car.
A little early there.
Was it really?
Go cut in.
Accelerate along here, car behind me.
Track out.
And then we
Slowly.
brake here to put weight on the nose of the car. And we like to remind people to breathe. Serenity now. Remember to breathe as you're braking. So you have a nice light grip of the steering wheel. Driving should not be physical.
Yeah.
Really, the secret to our sport is to look really far ahead. And by looking far ahead, you can anticipate the next corner before you get there.
I don't know how.
Tuck in, tuck in.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's bad, Kirk.
Really late on this one.
Yeah. Squeeze.
Track
Ready?
out on it. On it, on it, on it. Flip in. There you go. Brakes.
I'm worried about them braking more than anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that like pretty quickly?
Yo, car 3's so far.
I know. This is fuck yeah! Let's go,
Good,
baby!
that was good. Dab brakes in. There you go. Yeah, baby.
All right, good job, drivers. All right, Carl, I'm going to slow down and gather us back up as a group to bring us into pit lane.
I wasn't shifting. I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Dude, car 3 sucks.
All right, good job, everybody. So what we're going to do now is bring the cars back into pit lane. We're going to park in the same place, leave the car running in park, and they're going to sanitize the Taycons that are behind us, and you're going to hop into the Taycons with Joe, and Joe Group's going to walk up and hop into these cars that we're using now.
Dude, this car, like, you were like kind of nervous on some of those. I felt complete
So park
confidence.
single file,
Like
keep
at
the cars
first,
running,
at first,
keep your
you were just
doors
like,
open,
what's going on?
sanitizers
This
come
car
down and clean
fucking
them.
stinks.
Right.
Oh my
5
god.
minutes, we'll get you guys into the Taycons to do the exact same thing.
Alright, so who's doing the Taycan?
Can I do it since it's my event?
Yeah, you could absolutely
As
do
a
that.
reminder, the park button is on the shifter, so please make sure the car's in park before you get out. Leave the car running, doors open.
Because that way, when I get the Carrera, I can
Yeah, you can do it.